All right, guys. So I'm making a post. This to register a user actually need a post request. So I'm making a post request on the route, and then this is my URL user forward slash register, and then I've defined my response to be a JSON object of my show user from my schema class. This one. So I'll be showing this when the user successfully registered. So over here, I'm taking the username, the email, the location, the GPS address, the password. I'm not taking this because it is already an optional. It is an optional, so I'm not taking that. Then I'll pass it to my register function I have on my users.py in my repository folder. So this is the function. First of all, I check if the user already exists. If not, I add the user. But in this case, I set is active to false because I want the admin to be able to approve this. So that is what I've done. Um, we'll move on to the next functionalities.